I have barely 100 subscribers on YouTube and I'm already making money. Yes, I'm not monetized yet. And yes, you can make money on YouTube even before reaching that monetization threshold. So reaching the 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour threshold can be tough. And even with a great thumbnail, great title, great description, the algorithm might still overlook your content. So in this video, I'll be sharing 6 proven ways you can make money on YouTube before you hit those milestones. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start making money on YouTube right away. I've saved my favorite money making method for last, so make sure you stick around until the end so you find out exactly how I'm making money personally from YouTube and how you can copy my strategy so you can start making money as soon as possible. Let's face it, reaching that monetization threshold can be difficult and everyone's journey is very different. Some people make it so quickly, and for most of us, we struggle. That's why I'm making this video so that you can start making money on YouTube even before you reach that monetization threshold. Before we get into the methods, I'd like to emphasize on 2 things. You need to have these 2 things before these methods can work, which is providing value for your audience and also being consistent, because that's the only way you can build trust. And to be able to make money from these 6 methods I'm going to be talking about, you really need to have built trust with your audience. Okay, so if you're inconsistent and you're providing value, it won't work. If you're consistent and you're not providing value, it still won't work. So you need to have both of these things in order to make money from these 6 methods I'll be talking about. So the first one I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. Yes, don't roll your eyes yet. I know a lot of people talk about this, but I'm coming at it with a different perspective. So, affiliate marketing works best if you have at least a few subscribers. Even with just a few subscribers, your audience would have built that trust with you already, like I said earlier. So, your recommendations will mean something to them. So, what is affiliate marketing? Is when you promote a product or service using a unique link. So, when someone buys through your link, they can actually earn a commission. So, for example, let's say you promote a $10 pen and you earn a 10% commission. That's $1 per every pen that is purchased through your link. So I'll be leaving some of the affiliate programs on the screen so you know, so you can check them out. Some of them don't even require large following. All you need to have is a YouTube channel, and once you punch in your link, you're good to go. So if you want me to make a dedicated video on how to do this, also let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video specifically to that effect. So the second one I want to talk about is selling digital product or a service. So another way of making money is by selling your own digital product or services. And don't be overwhelmed by this. You can easily create an ebook, social media templates, courses, what have you. You can easily create this. Once you have the knowledge in something, you can actually easily create your own. There are a lot of AI tools that you can use to help you out. I'm not saying you should just punch in anything and then throw it out there to your viewers, but as far as you have something valuable to give to your audience, you can just draft it out and let the AI do the hard work for you. Again, if you want me to do a step-by-step video on how you can do this, just let me know in the comments and I'll do that for you as well. Before I continue, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you're getting value so far. And to my amazing subscribers, thank you so much for sticking around and thank you for helping us grow this channel to where it is now. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the money making methods. Another way of making money on YouTube, this one won't bring you so much money, but you'll be surprised by how many people want to support you. And it's simply called crowdfunding or support funds. This is a great way to make money on YouTube as well. So there are platforms like Patreon, there's Buy Me a Coffee. I personally use Seller. Thank you so much, by the way, to my amazing supporters. I don't take any of your penny for granted. Thank you for supporting me. So if you want to support me, you can easily do that by clicking on the link in the description and support this channel so we can continue to grow and I'll continue to bring you so much value. Again, don't forget to watch until number 6 because I make the most money from that method and I would like to share that with you. Okay, so watch until number 6. Now, the fourth one is sponsored content. Did you know that even before you get monetized, you can still work with brands? Yes, there are companies that are even happy to collaborate with small creators like us who have engaged audience. If they find that you have a good rapport with your audience, like you always respond to comments, you build that friendship with your audience. They're happy to work with you. I'm currently working on one. I wouldn't say I've made money from this route yet, but I'm currently working on one. I just started about 3 days ago. So let me see how that goes, and I'll come back to tell you guys whether or not I made money and how much I made, okay? So these points won't be complete if I do not mention freelancing services. So another way to make money is by leveraging your skill and offering freelancing services. So if you're good at editing, writing, maybe graphic design, or any other skill, you can promote your services on your YouTube channel. So just direct viewers to your freelancing profile. Maybe you're on Upwork, on your own Fiverr. Just make sure to direct your viewers to those channels. Now, the final one, and I personally consider this as the easiest way to make money on YouTube, because before you get on YouTube, you would already have a skill set, or you already have something that you're really good at, that you're passionate about, that you'd like to talk about. So this one will fit anybody that is on YouTube. I personally believe anybody on YouTube can make money doing this one. And it is simply offering one-on-one sessions. So, you've built that trust with your audience, you've been consistent on your platform. You can introduce a one-on-one session to your audience or your viewers. So, for example, I offer personalized one-on-one sessions to help individuals find both jobs, to find jobs both online and offline. I help them craft that, perfect or great CV to mastering interview techniques. I guide my clients through every step of the process. The key is just to specialize in something you are really good at, or something that you're good at least, then upskill and turn this into a service. Just ensure that you provide top quality service, and let your sessions be structured. The last thing you want to do is just to have somebody pay for your service and then you're not offering them any value at all. And this is why most of the clients I've gotten through recommendations. There's no feeling as good as having somebody finish from your class and make recommendations. It just feels good and makes you happy and feel good about what you're doing. Okay, so ensure that your classes are always structured. Ensure that you're professional, and if you continue doing this and you're good at what you do, you're going to continue getting clients. So there you have it, 6 ways to start making money on YouTube before you reach that monetization threshold. Which methods are you most excited about, and what exactly would you want me to elaborate on? Just let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. There's no silly question. I'm happy to answer whatever it is you want explanation on. Don't forget to book a one-on-one session with me if you need further clarity, okay? I'll love to help you achieve your goals. And also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let's continue growing. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.